Listen to me carefully. I'm your teacher, Miss Rose. Welcome to my English class. I say hello, you say hi. Hello. Hello. I say nice to you, say meet you. Nice to. Nice to. I like English, it is fun. I like girls because they are active. I say English, you say fun. English. English. I say seven, you say active. Seven. Seven. I'm from Riau, sweet province. I say Riau, you say sweet. Riau. Riau. Are you ready for the class? I say ready, you say go. Ready? Ready?